Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to him. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today we are making this delicious and sumptuous Kontomire stew or Palava sauce. So you know what? Let's get cooking. So I have my Kontomire I have chopped already in my freezer. So I'm gonna rinse it and then straight into my saucepan. Then I sprinkle a little salt on it, okay? I mean, you know, just to kill all unwanted germs. Yeah, so we allow this to boil and then we are gonna start with our Kontomire stew. But here are my basic ingredients. I have momoni, stockfish or salted fish. Yes, that is momoni. And then I have my egusi and then some chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. And for my protein, I'll be using chicken and Wele, yeah, because that's available. Yeah, so this is a Kontomire stew with a twist. So I start with some oil in my saucepan, then I add my onions and then my momoni or stockfish. Then I also add my tomatoes and then I'm gonna stir this and allow it to cook. Yes, so like I said, you would the Kontomire stew with dear, but try this recipe, family. So I add some powdered pepper. You can also use fresh pepper, but I prefer powdered pepper. Then now I add my palm oil. So what you see? Yes, so this is a Kontomire stew of Kontomire stew. Yes, so we stir and then we allow this to cook. So now we cover it and allow it to simmer for a while. So after about 2 to 5 minutes, here we are. So now we're gonna add our egusi to it. So on a good day, I blend my egusi enough and then keep it in the freezer. Whenever I need it, I just go for it. So we cover the egusi and allow it to cook before we stir it. So I say popo to sesane ya popo kusiane dia. And ya ma emunchi kakra and so when so what you say. Yes. So over here we stir and then we still allow it to cook a little bit. So when ma wo egusi no anase akatoa no ambia me paucho o family omudi Kontomire stew na omuyem ebehwi. So make sure you allow your egusi on akatoa to cook very well. So at this point I add my cooked Kontomire. And then I stir it gently for it to incorporate into each other. I mean, any akatuano and fra, but do this gently. So now I add my broth from my chicken, allow it to simmer a bit. Then I add my chicken and my Wele. So you can add fish, you can add meat, anything you want to use as a protein, you can add to your Kontomire or Palava sauce, okay? And we gently stir. Wahre, senya aya kono, na aya inviting, na aya mouth watering. So we allow it to simmer again for like about 3-5 minutes. Then I told you this is not just your regular Palava sauce or Kontomire for it. So I add some canned beef to it. Now me say ne deno froye we ne deno family. Try this and add some goodness to your family's plate and they're gonna thank you. Ne deno, you can pair it with rice, yam, kinky, banku or whatever. But I enjoy it with rice, yam or plantain. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So at this point, our Palava sauce or Kontomire stew is ready, so we are gonna enjoy it. Trust me, everyone was licking their plates and they were asking for more. Evee, just give us some more. Evee, yeah, just give us some more. Yeah, so if you like this video, why don't you just give your girls some thumbs up, like, comment, share for your family and friends to also enjoy this goodness, and please subscribe so we grow together. Okay, thank you guys, and see ya in our next video. Bye family.